Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best lifting straps that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Gymreapers figure lifting straps. The Gymreapers lifting straps take top honors for most people on this list. They're comfortable, secure, affordable, and have a leading lifetime replacement guarantee. Lasso straps are generally the most popular and well-rounded type of lifting strap. They provide excellent security, and you can use them for nearly every lift. These straps from Gymreapers are 18 inches long, which is shorter than most straps, 20 inches minus 24 inches. I find the shorter length advantageous because it's easier to set up, limits bulk in the hand, and remains very secure. While many lasso-style straps are made with cotton, I'm particularly impressed with how comfortable these are. They have a soft texture and are slightly thinner than some, making them the most comfortable straps I've tested. The sewn neoprene lining enhances comfort on the top of the wrist, although it's shorter than some I've used. The downside to thinner and softer cotton is that they may wear down more quickly. This depends on a variety of factors, including barbell knurling, training intensity, and frequency of use. While they can handle heavy loads, I recommend others on this list if you're an ultra-heavy lifter. A big benefit of the Gymreapers lifting straps is that they come with a guaranteed lifetime replacement, which others don't. Lastly, the Gymreapers straps are available in 9 color options, making them some of the best-looking straps out there. When you factor in the fair price and replacement guarantee, these straps are hard to beat for most people. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Element 26 lifting straps. Like the Gymreapers straps, the Element 26 straps are lasso style and made with cotton. The biggest differences are rigidity, length, and durability. These are among the thickest cotton straps I've tested, making them ideal for heavy training. I'm impressed with their quality and the extra steps they took to reinforce the straps with tight stitching. One of the nicest features of these straps are the directional arrows letting you know which wrist to put them on. Element 26 was the first to introduce this simple addition, and it's truly helpful. Other straps can frustrate users at times if they accidentally put the strap on the wrong wrist. These straps also include a long neoprene interior, giving you great protection around your wrist. That said, the extra rigidity makes these slightly more uncomfortable than other cotton straps. They break in nicely to become more comfortable, but you should expect several sessions before this happens. The 23 inches length of these straps is plenty to create a very secure fit, but remember that extra length makes it slightly more cumbersome to set up. They also build up more in the hand unless you intentionally don't fully wrap the straps around the shaft. The Element 26 straps are affordably priced and come with a lifetime warranty. Overall, I recommend these for heavy lifters wanting stiffer and more durable cotton straps. At number 3, we have the DMoose lifting straps. DMoose is a well-known provider of value fitness accessories, and these straps fill that bill with a low price and good performance. These lasso-style straps are made of cotton and come with a 24 inches length, making them the longest straps on this list. While 24 is great for creating security, you may want to leave some excess to prevent too much bulk in the hand. The cotton thickness and softness fall in between the Gymreapers and Element 26 straps. They're fairly comfortable out of the box but may require a couple of sessions before breaking in. In terms of construction, the stitching isn't as nice as others, especially at the end and on the neoprene patch. The DMoose lifting straps have a 30-day money-back guarantee. I recommend them straps to those shopping on a tight budget and who need a basic set of straps. If you're lifting serious weight or want a better guarantee, I suggest other options, including Gymreapers and Element 26. At number 2, we have the Versa Grips Pro Authentic. Versa Grips have a unique flap design and are the most premium lifting straps you can buy. The most notable feature of Versa Grips Pro is the 6.25 long palm flap. By placing the bar between your palm and the flap, you fold it toward your palm to lock it in. The entire setup only takes a couple of seconds, and you can engage both grips at the same time. The flap is made of rubber and has a non-slip texture, making it grippy on knurled and smooth surfaces. Another benefit of the flap is that it protects your hands with minimal bulk. These straps work especially well for high representative sets. The straight wrist support is also easy to use with a heavy-duty nylon and Velcro strap. It comes in several sizes ranging from 5 inches to over 8, and it's available in multiple colors. My favorite ways to use the Versa grips are for bodybuilding movements, pull-ups, and cable exercises. However, given their quick release and secure fit, they're suitable for any lift. I didn't find them quite as secure for heavy deadlifts, but I'm impressed with their overall performance. You have 4 Versa grips versions to choose from: Fit, Women, Classic, Pro, and Extreme. In my experience, the Pro version is the best for most people. You get a longer flap over the Classic, 5.75 inches, and everything that the Extreme offers, minus double-stitched seams and a higher price tag. If you're using them often and with intense training, the Extreme is the better option for the added durability, but the Pros offer excellent performance. And finally at number 1, we have the Gymreapers Figure 8 straps. The Gymreapers Figure 8 lifting straps are well priced, durable, and effective for heavy training. Figure 8 straps are some of the easiest straps to use because there's nothing to continually wrap around the bar. You can set these up in only a couple of seconds, making them much faster than lasso-style straps. These straps are mostly found in strongman, woman training, but they're great for heavy deadlifts, rows, and rack pulls. Aside from how easy they are to use, my favorite feature is that there's nothing between your hand and the barbell. Therefore, you can get the benefits of a lifting strap while also enjoying the full knurling experience of your favorite barbell. The Gymreapers Figure 8 straps are made of cotton and come in 3 sizes ranging from wrists less than 6 inches to over 7.5. While the straps are flexible, the angle of tension is different from other straps, so they may be less comfortable for people with pain on the inner side of the wrists. Sizing can also be a bit awkward with Figure 8 straps in general. I recommend sizing down if you're close to 2 sizes to ensure a secure fit. Despite these being some of the strongest straps you can buy, a downside is that they're less versatile. Again, I recommend these to strongman, woman athletes and those lifting heavy from the floor, deadlifts, rows, etc. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.